I found a couple of ideas on Renovation, but then ultimately I chose Aaron because I think Aaron, it's more like talking to a friend when I actually approached him, and then when he showed me all the designs and the thought process and the design process, I was like, I look at him and say, yeah, I think I can trust this guy to handle my house for the next few months. So that's why I chose Stereo Homestay. I think if I don't have an idea, it's going to eat up a lot of my time away. It's nice to have someone that I can trust and just leave it to someone to be in charge. Actually, I still like my bathroom. I think probably because me and Aaron, we spend the most time trying to fit a very small bathroom, which I managed to fit in a bathtub, a basin, let shouldn't be that. And of course my kitchen here, I really like it because when you go to a lot of houses, you don't see like an island with an open concept. Because I love to have friends around, so these are the two things I like about the house. Other than that, I'm very pleased with the whole house. I would definitely recommend Aaron from Stereo Homestay. I've already done so to people who ask me, hey, how's the process like, who's your ID, stuff like that. Aaron is not your typical ID designer. Very straightforward. For me, I really want the honest opinion from someone rather than someone sales talk you through the way. I don't find that from Aaron. I trust his insight, his expertise, his experience.